You work hard for your money, but is it working for you? Looking for a hands-off way to invest? Around the world, investors of all types count on foreign exchange trading, or Forex, to earn a passive income, thanks to the fluctuations, high volume, and liquidity of foreign exchange markets. Wouldn't it be great if you could do the same? Well, now you can. At Matrix Trader, we've created an automated trading bot based on specialized algorithmic trading software to stay ahead of the markets and give traders of all levels higher returns. And we've made it easy too. First, register on our site and choose your preferred package. Next, check your inbox and follow our step-by-step guide on how to open our preferred brokerage account. Or we can connect your existing MT4 account from another broker. Once you're set and funded, we link your account to our trading bot via a VPN connection, so it's always live and you never miss a trade. Finally, download our Matrix Trader app, sit back, and watch our bot go. And with our app, you can see your trades in action right in the palm of your hand. With Matrix Trader, you can count on trading that's tailored to your needs and goals and gives you full control. Thanks to our unique adjustable safe balance option, you can adjust your maximum drawdown to a level you're comfortable with and always decide whether you're up for a greater risk or want to keep it slow and steady. No matter what, the funds are your funds. They stay in your brokerage account the entire time, so you can withdraw or make changes whenever you please.